Alright guys, I'm sorry, I just cut the video off for like 10 minutes, god damn it. TV right here. Alright, it's good. Alright, so you missed that whole battle that I just had against these bots. So, let's see if I can own them again. Let me just do something first. Let me see. What do I want? I'm gonna use the DSR. I wanna fucking do quick scopes. Drone. Alright, so it's on the other thing. Yeah, guys, you missed that battle. I won. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Retard alert. Retard alert, class. Retard alert. God damn it. Uh-oh. Retard alert. Haha! You guys, it's not Fallout 3 now. Uh-oh, retard alert, class, retard alert. Oh! I gotta look for targets. Go, find them. Go. Okay, I found him now. I'm really pleased with this gun. Gotcha, bitch. There we go. Oh! Ah! Oh, okay, one shot, one kill. Gotcha, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Kobe.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Gotcha, bitch. Ah! Ah! That was like a flying squirrel. You want to fun cake? You want to fun cake? Fun cake! You want a fun cake? 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 You want that project? You want that project? You want that project? You want the project? You want the project? You want the project? You want the project? He hates the project. He hates that project.
Friendly UAV inbound.
I'm going Super Saiyan, Kamehameha! There you go. I went Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan! Rah! Super Saiyan! Hey. Super Saiyan! I'm going Super Saiyan! Kamehameha! This stupid shit. Got you, bitch. Come on, Super Saiyan! You just got. I think that guy just got scared when it just popped out of nowhere. Super Saiyan! Come on up!
UAV inbound.
Super Saiyan! I'm just gonna like stand here. How about I just like stand here and just be a noob camp with the sniper? Oh, this is what I should have. Instead of being a retard. Uh-oh, retard alert. Uh-oh, retard alert class, retard alert. Podcast! Podcast! Podcast, bitch! Podcast, bitch! Podcast, motherfucker! Gotcha, bitch! Podcast, bitch! How? What? No!
UAV on standby.
Ah! Ah! I felt like I got fucked up. Oh, there it is! There it is! Oh! That guy just like suicides himself. You can tell on the top. It's people suicide himself. Hey, what's going on, guys? Ivan here, and today, I started having posted 2 videos just on those last 2 days because I was studying like for school. I don't know how to put this, but I've been busy with school. And it's really frustrating that I had a test, and I hope you enjoyed that video, because I'm just making these videos for fun, that you don't have to subscribe. If you want to subscribe, good, because I wanted a person like you subscribe to my videos. And one more thing, guys, if you saw my last video, ISA are failures, you saw in that comment that I'm gonna be posting some more Black Ops 2 videos, and I'm gonna be posting other videos about other video games. So yeah, and one more thing, guys, my internet when I go to LAN party, it's been shit lately, and I can't get it to work. Watch, once you try to fuck like that, if you have like a router, then you can get fucking online. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do. If you guys can help me, that I know that before I had a turbine, the Mac turbine, and so this video was shit. That other video was shit, because I was like by myself between bots, and then I said put it for 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace.